Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make YouTube in Figma. We will begin by setting up your canvas and understanding the basic tools. You'll learn to create frames, import essential assets, and organize your workspace for an efficient design process. This foundational step is crucial for building any complex interface, ensuring a smooth workflow from start to finish. Next, let's set up your Figma canvas. Start by creating a new file and adding a frame, perhaps a desktop size of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Import YouTube's brand colors and typography to maintain authenticity. Proper layer organization, using groups and naming conventions, will save you significant time during the design process. To maximize the benefits of the BNP Paribas Global Markets Review, consider using it as a strategic guide. It can help you validate your current investment hypotheses with expert analysis. You can also identify new investment opportunities that might align with your financial goals. Understanding potential risks highlighted in the review allows you to adjust your portfolio proactively. Ultimately, leveraging this comprehensive analysis can significantly refine your overall market outlook and decision-making process. Finally, let's bring your design to life with prototyping. Link your screens to simulate user journeys, such as clicking a video to navigate to its watch page. Add interactive hover states to buttons and thumbnails for a realistic feel. Implement vertical scrolling for content-heavy sections. Sharing your interactive prototype allows for valuable feedback and iterative improvements before development.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.